Hello and welcome to Splash Pressure Washing. Today we're going to be weed killing this rather large block paved area in Wareham to be killing off all the existing weeds and follow back next week to jet wash all the block paving, apply a fungicidal wash and get it all looking brand new again. So we shall see you next time. Thank you. Welcome back, Splash Pressure Washing. So we've now completed this pressure cleaning and treating of this rather large communal entranceway. There's 18 residents at this particular plot. So we carried out the weed kill, as you know, a couple of weeks ago and annihilated all the existing weeds. We then come back yesterday and we've jet washed the entire area, collected and disposed of all the debris, washed down all the walls, windows, anything that's affected by the jet washing, and we put down the fungicidal wash, which has brought all the colours back into the blocks and removed any signs of damp. And the final stage this morning was to do the resanding, so we brushed fresh kiln dried sand into the block paving to leave it now all looking fresh and ready to be used. Thanks for watching.